How to change Outlook view back to normal. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can change your Outlook view. So let's get into it. So over here you can see this is Outlook. I have it open right here, and here at the top you can see we have view. Here you can go ahead and change the view of your Outlook. You can go ahead and change the layout from ribbon to reading pan, show on the bottom, show on the right, to my day. You can even select and change the folder list as well. You can even go with density to cozy to compact, totally depends on you. So here you can go ahead and get started. So I would like to change the layout from the reading panel to show at the bottom. If we do that, this is how it's going to look like. Pretty different, right? Let's go ahead and change it back and show it at the top. There we go. Now, for example, if you wanted to go ahead and reset everything and you didn't know how, and you messed something up, go ahead and click on the view settings over here. Here you will see you have layout. Here you can go ahead and sort layout. You can go with everything. You can go with the arrange the reading pan over here to the newest. Do you want to see the deleted item first? Reading panel. What do you want to do? What do you want to happen when you move or delete items? What do you want us to do when you open Outlook? All this stuff, right? And even animation as well. Totally depends on you. If you come over here and you search for reset, right? And over here, you can go ahead and even set animations as well. So you've got other options as well, but yeah, that's how it looks like. And if you want to reset it, just simply click on the view settings, come over here onto layout, and just go ahead and select the options that you first want. So we got classic. Here in classic, we can go with simplified. Here in density, we can go with compact, roomy. Folders can be over here and everything else. So that's how you can do it. That's how you can check out the view format of Outlook. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.